Interlachen's a values-based, mission-based organization. Our mission is to enrich lives. Every day you come to work, you have the ability to impact someone's life in a positive way. And at the heart of it, it's all about community and enjoyment. If you can make people feel special and unique and recognized, and that you're doing something for them, you're going to excel. You know, I think when you attend a school like the Carlson School, you've got this idea about how your academic experience is going to prepare and shape your work in the future. And I think as I've progressed in my career, what I've learned is that's made me a better problem solver, made me a better listener, made me ask better questions, and taught me how to take a vision, convince a group of people of it, and put it into reality. The Carlson School does a really good job of that in all of its classes, bringing together students in ways that'll be applicable to them in the real world, and learning how to work with a variety of people in different settings that I think's allowed me to be successful today. When I think about Carlson's impact on the Twin Cities, I'd be hard-pressed to think there's another institution in town beyond Carlson that's had a bigger impact on the business ecosystem, and I certainly see that every day in my work. My name is Joel Livingood. I'm the General Manager and Chief Executive Officer at Interlachen Country Club. I graduated from the Carlson School of Management in 2012 with a degree in marketing.